Wow, the farm is so beautiful today.
Good morning, Mew.
Good morning, Bibi. Can I play with you too?
Let's explore the farm together. Today, let's take care of the farm together.
I'm a very good swimmer.
Mew, you're so fast.
Together makes it much easier.
Now is so strong.
I'm happy to help.
Oh no, be careful, Bibi. Hold on tight.
I'm pulling.
Phew.
Let's fix this spot together.
Resting after work feels so nice.
It really does.
Have an apple, everyone. Come on, let's explore more. Come on, let's explore more.
Stay calm, you can do it.
Okay,
Great job, Mew.
this is fun.
I'm okay. I just sat down too hard. We are best friends.
Helping each other makes every day happy.